Hello and welcome to the lecture 4 of the Introduction to Programming course. And in this lecture, we're going to talk about strings and lists. So this will be a long lecture and we're going to divide this into two parts, part 1 and part 2. So before we start, here are some of the key concepts that we're going to see. First, part 1, we're going to talk about string data type and string operations such as indexing and slicing, concatenation and repetition, and string length and looping. We'll also talk about the escape characters, string processing, and a list as sequences. And finally, in part 1, we'll talk about string methods. In part 2 of the lecture, we're going to talk about string representations, encoding and encryption, string manipulation, string formatting, which is very important, and finally, file processing. So let's get started.